This one will be called Rocket Man #2.
You gotta go to the bathroom?
No, I'm just scared. Oh, money.
5, 4, 3, 2.
1. Where'd it go? Dang it!
Successful deployment, Jack!
I see a bird.
I see it. Don't you see it?
I see it.
I lost it.
I got it. It's right here.
Oh yeah, I see it, Jackson.
Oh, the wind picks up. You feel that wind?
Yeah. Right when you get work, Jackson.
What?
Right when you get work.
Run, boy, run! Run, Forrest, run! That thing is up there. That's got to be how many feet, you think?
Oh, I don't know. Right there is probably...
No, at its highest point.
At the highest?
Yeah.
Maybe 4,000?
Yeah, it's up there.
Yeah.
I let Birdie out. Come on, Birdie! Come on! Come on, Birdie! Go get him, Birdie! Go get him! Jack, call Birdie! Call Birdie! Go get him, Jack. Go get him, Birdie. Go get the ball. Oh, he's going to make it. Run, Jack, run! I don't think so either. Oh.